Hello everyone, how are you doing? Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for coming to FRANKA'S kitchen. So today we're going to be doing lemon oil. Yes, you heard me. And with this you can also add to your dispenser and to get some nice smell in your house. And so let's get to it. We're going to be needing our grater, and with this we'll grate the lemon. We need the zest, just the zest of the lemon for this, and I've got 3 here. And yeah, let's get into it. From the carrot, apart from this, the lemon, we're gonna be needing our olive oil. You can see this is, we're coming back to that, but first of all let's grate our so we are done. This is what we got from the three lemon. This is what we got. This is the zest that came out from 3 lemon. So over to the next step. Over here I got a portion of the zest on my frying pan. I'm going to pour some olive oil and we'll cook this on a low heat. We're going to be cooking this on a low heat and just let it boil. Remember, we are looking for the scent. We want the scent of the lemon to come in. So let's just wait for it to cook, to boil little by little. So as you can see, it's boiling and the scent of lemon is all over. The dominating scent of lemon is all over here. So we're gonna let it boil a little bit more. The first one is cooling off. We're going to set this one on the second method on how you can get your lemon oil. So stay tuned. Now we're going to filter the one with the water. It's still hot. But here they are. Let me test it. So this is what we got. We're gonna bottle them up now.